Namaskar. Welcome to the Doctor's Talk of AMRA Hospitals Bhubaneswar. Today we will discuss about the COVID-19 and its effect on heart. So today we have Dr. Lingaraj Nath, renowned cardiologist of AMRA Hospitals Bhubaneswar. Sir, welcome doctor to the show. So sir, how does COVID infection affects our heart?
See, COVID-19 virus is a new RNA virus which is spreading recently like an epidemic. It primarily affects the lungs through the respiratory droplets, and along with lungs it can also affect major organs of the body like heart, vascular system, brain and other organs also. So once the COVID virus, which is an RNA virus which enters the lungs, it attaches to the protein particles on the lung surface called S2 particles. These S2 particles are the entry point for the virus, and these particles are also present in the heart and vascular systems. That is how COVID virus affects the lungs as well as heart and other organs. And this is very serious in the case of patients who are already having heart problem, like elderly persons, diabetic, patients who are already having heart surgery or bypass surgery or open heart angioplasty surgery. And this patient needs to be extremely careful, because once the COVID virus infection starts, this patient can have more serious symptoms, they can have more admissions and more complications during the COVID virus infection.
What is the symptom of COVID in heart patients, sir?
If you look at the symptoms, initially COVID virus will present as the common symptoms like running nose, body ache and shivering, sometimes fever, mild to again goes to the high grade level. Once there are different stages of the COVID virus infection. In stage 1, these are the symptoms. Once it becomes more serious and it develops the inflammatory reaction, which is called systemic inflammatory reaction. In that stage, COVID virus starts affecting other organs of the body like heart and vascular system. At this stage, the patient starts becoming more symptomatic. They can have chest pain and swelling of the legs, swelling of abdomen, urine output and blood pressure comes down. These patients can have loss of consciousness due to any disturbance in the blood circulation and this heart rate. So these are the symptoms. Once any person who is already having fever or having symptoms of COVID, if he develops any of these symptoms of chest pain and sweating and altered sensorium, falling down unconsciousness or vomiting, recurrent vomiting, so they should have immediate consultation, because these symptoms might be the sign of severe heart problem, and they need to be seen by a specialist to confirm by different tests available as what is the heart problem developing in the patient.
If a patient is having the heart problem and detected COVID positive, so what is the treatment procedures?
As you know, there is no direct or confirmatory treatment for COVID. It is a very serious problem. It is a new disease. Nobody has a direct treatment. There are certain supportive treatments of the COVID virus, like as you all know, like antiviral medications and antiplatelet injections and medications, as well as steroids are also given, which are the routine treatment for the COVID virus infection. In case of suppose the patient develops any cardiac complications, there are two types of possible complications. One is that COVID virus is highly thrombogenic. That means it causes clot formation inside the blood circulation.
Yes.
So once this clot circulation develops in the heart, it can cause symptoms of the heart attack. Another way how COVID affects the heart is by causing the injury to the heart muscles, which is called myocarditis, and ultimately results in the failure of the pumping function of the heart, which is its own primary function. So these two are the major ways by which the COVID virus is affecting the heart. So if the person is developing symptoms of the chest pain and heart attack, then the treatment as advised by the doctors for the cardiac problem has to be given, like thrombolytic medication, injections. The patient might definitely need admissions in the hospital with the ICU care setting. Similarly, if the patient is having symptoms of the myocarditis, heart failure, then there are specific medications available to reduce the workload on the heart and cause the heart failure symptoms subside. So all these patients are very serious patients of the COVID, and they will need specialist care and definitely admission in ICU to be taken care of by a multi-team company, by doctors like chest physician, cardiologist and intensivist, and that is how we have to manage these patients.
Sir, patients having any heart procedure, they had undergone any heart procedure or having the heart ailments, what precautions they should take for avoiding this COVID-19?
Yeah, this is a very important question because prevention is the most important aspect. As we know, there is no specific treatment for the COVID virus or related heart problems developing in the patients. So most important is social isolation, and as we know, the high risk category, the elderly people, those aged more than 60 years, patients who are already heart patient, had already had bypass surgery or stenting or any valve surgery replacement, elderly, patient having chest infection previously, COPD, pneumonia cases. These patients should be extra cautious. They have to be avail as much as possible social isolation and take special precautions if they have to go out with a social distancing and mask and whatever possible. Besides that, they should always be hydrated. Their hydration level is important, amount of fluid intake. They should take their medications, whatever they are already taking, in a very regular basis. Because this is very important, because many times what happens when the patient develops fever or anything, then they stop taking the regular heart medicines or blood pressure medicines. So this can cause serious problem for the patient. So these are very important precautions. Besides that, maintaining some amount of exercise and physical fitness. Even if the person cannot go out inside house, they have to have certain level of physical activity, because lack of complete physical activity can cause problems to the circulatory system. So these are very important aspects, and in any moment of time, if there is any symptoms or anything, the person has to be consulted by appropriate doctors or consultant, because this is a very serious and emerging field of cardiovascular problem of COVID, and only a specialist can give proper advice to this situation as any complication develops in the patient.
Sir, can there be any water effects of COVID in heart patients?
Yes, this is a very important thing actually. Recently, what we have been finding, that lot of patients who are already had COVID treatment, both young as well as old people, are coming back with many symptoms of chest pain and many times body ache, chest pain, sweating, palpitation, and giddiness. These are, and they have been found to be having certain amount of cardiac issues. This is a very evolving topic, so we do not know exactly what is the implication of COVID on the heart. Recently, an article came in the JAMA, Journal of American Medical Association, where they studied about 100 patients with COVID virus already who have treated and means they have been relieved. They found almost 60 to 70% of these patients were still having some symptoms of inflammation of the heart. That they could find by doing various tests like MRI of the heart and PET scan and other cardiac enzyme tests. So it is a very serious matter, that it shows that many patients who are already having relieved from the COVID also still continues to have cardiac inflammation and cardiac symptoms. So they have to be very careful. This is an evolving topic. There is no specific treatment again for this thing, but the thing is, the person has to be careful even after he getting discharged from the COVID virus treatment. And he has to maintain his blood pressure and sugar and cholesterol and other vitals very regularly, have a regular consultation with the doctors, and most important, should not stop any medication which they have been advised, either prior to COVID infection like a heart patient, or after COVID discharge, whatever medication like blood pressure and cholesterol or heart medicine what has been given. This should be continued.
So, what are the cardiac treatment facilities at AMRA hospitals during this pandemic hospitals offerings?
Yeah, this we have a we have a very excellent facility in the Amri hospital regarding this COVID treatment. The most important aspect of COVID, like I said, in those patients who are having other complications, is it is a multi-organ system, because COVID not only affects the lungs, it can affect the heart,
Yes,
vascular system, brain, and many liver and many other organs. So the biggest advantage with this having a facility where there is multi-organ system doctors are available, the team of doctors who are having like a pulmonologist, cardiologist, intensivist, anesthetist, hepatologist, and infection care specialist, microbiologist. So in that way, the multi-team approach always gives better success and result. These patients need special care, particularly those patients who are already having heart or any other complication and who have been developed COVID infection. So in that way, the treatment approach and day-to-day consultation and counseling is very important for these patients, and they need hand-holding from the very beginning, from the admission to the time of discharge, as well as follow-up. So that way it's a good facility to have.
Thank you for doctor for your valuable time. And
दर्शक बंधु बिना अपॉइंटमेंट रे सबु रोगर सफल उपचार जानिबा पई हेले एबे ही सब्सक्राइब करंतु हमर YouTube चैनल प्रिकॉशन फॉर हेल्थ आ बेल आइकन क्लिक कला फल रे आपण हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो सहित रहिबे अपडेट।